Hi everyone! Tonight for supper I'll be making fried rice waffles. What all goes into the fried rice waffles? That's hard to say. 1 egg and 1/2 pack of InnoAsian fried rice. I got the vegetable, but they also have chicken out there. It didn't say. So let's begin. All right, so it didn't say whether to defrost it or cook it or any of that stuff. Since I'm cooking it in the waffle maker, I don't think I need it cooked, so I did defrost it because it was hard like a brick. So put in half of the fried rice. I think they should make at least 2. And then the 1 egg. And then mix that up until it kind of sticks together. Then plug in your mini waffle maker. The light is on when it goes off. It's preheated. It is preheated. We're going to add a little bit oil. You don't want to use non-stick cooking spray. It can ruin the finish. Then add your fried rice, and you don't want a very thick layer or it will overflow. Put the lid down, cook it for 5 to 6 minutes until it's golden brown. So here is the fried rice waffle. Rounding out the meal is vegetable egg rolls. Let's see what Dave thinks.
I'm assuming since I don't recognize this.
Yeah, that is fried rice waffle.
Oh, interesting. Oh, I see the rice now. So is this for this or is this for these?
That's for the egg rolls. But you can put it in that, I don't know.
Oh, it's pretty good. Make a mess here. Doesn't need the sauce, but I don't think the sauce hurts it. That's pretty good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.